think it's time to bring your little baby brother out. Time to reveal this beautiful truck. Yep, it's time. We're gonna get you out. Come on. Come on. Bring yourself. There we go. Didn't buy you for nothing. Yeah, let's do this. She weighs nothing. Let's see if I can do that funny bunny drop. Let's see. Where do we start with you? There. That is pretty. Oh, that is really pretty. Gorgeous. Yeah. That is just gorgeous for words. That is really pretty. Wow. I'm impressed. Very impressed. Let's go get some snips. Let's do the slippy. Well, it's broken already. Oh, sorry. Did I throw something else away? Shall we see? It sounds like something's broken in there. Another box. Wonder what this should be. Sounds good. Oh, different whip. Oh, you got batteries. Wow. And just one pinion? That's it. No tools. Maybe car doesn't break. There's no tools in here. That's a first. There's no tools. Wow. Impressive. I guess the car didn't break. Look at that. No tools. Wow. Still love the design of this. Easy access. No leads lying around. That looks a bit flimsy. We'll see how that goes. Not shabby. Don't know what you guys think of it. But I've been waiting for this boy for a while. I had it for a week. Let's see what it looks like on the shelf. Isn't that a pretty sight? Yeah. That sure does look good. I have no words. The towing links, not adjustable. The camber, not adjustable. Unreal. She's squatting. Can't set that. That looks terrible. Cannot squat. Can't set it at all. Can't set my wheel alignment. Nothing. This is like their bottom of line truck. I thought it was. It is what it is. No. This is definitely a massive down step. You have to replace all the stuff. The shocks are terrible. I've adjusted them up already as much as what I generally would set it, not more than that. But I'm gonna go and put on Proline. Straight up off the bank. I haven't even ridden it yet. There's absolutely yeah. I can't complain on the decals. The body is flimsy. It's definitely not as strong as I thought it would be. We'll see how long that lasts. Like I say, let's see how this one goes. But not happy with the steering. Can't adjust nothing. Nothing. Zero. Zolts. Alrighty then. Let's see. First time starting up. Lights look awesome. And really nice. Pretty fast. Nothing there yet. Okay, ABC works very well. Let's see. Not bad, not bad. I'm just not happy with that. Let's see. Oh my. Out of the box and the axles are bent. Let's have a clear look. Wow. Out of the box, the wheels are buckled. Wow. Okay, I'm stopping this right now. I sure am speechless. At least you get the DX3. Brilliant remote. You got this funny bunny decal. That's nice. Full batteries. One pinion. and this weird looking thing you can add to it. You get a booklet, copy and paste, no hardcover. There's no joy and prideness into this manual, and then that's it. You get nothing else with it. This is kind of disappointing. You pay top dollar for this truck. What happened to the tools? It's a Ford, don't they break? Yeah, whatever. Not one of my best openings I've ever had. Unboxing. Weird. Thanks, Horizon. It's a nice truck. But I'll be honest with you, I was expecting a little bit more of the time zone that you guys are in with having a better copy than this. This is ridiculous because I have a lot of pride in my manuals. I don't like this at all. Thank you for a good remote. I won't be using it because I have my budget. However, we'll see how the car is. I do love this platform, but we'll see. Don't know what happened with that massive long aerial hanging out of there. That won't last. I'll secure that.